Okay, sound check, sound check. This is the sound quality of the Maono PD200X at close range. Sound check, sound check. This is the sound quality of the Maono PD200X at medium range. Sound check, sound check. This is the sound quality of the Maono PD200X at long range. So, try ko ilapit yung mouth ko sa microphone at this. So, ito. So, this is the normal range pag nagsasalita ako sa mic pag nasa tapat ako ng monitor. Since mas maganda yung, mas malapit yung range ng mouth ko sa microphone, mas maganda ang pick up ng sound ng microphone na ito. So, try ko lakasan ng boses ko. So, ito, nilakasan ko yung boses ko at medium range. At close range. Ito yung medium. Medium na to. Okay, ito yung long. Okay. So, try muna natin sa close range. Ito ang, let's say, my normal voice pag nakikipag-usap sa tao. So, this is the sound quality of the Maono PD200X at close range and normal voice. This is the sound quality of the Maono PD200X at medium range, normal voice. This is the sound quality of the Maono PD200X at long range in normal voice. So ayun. So ano ba maganda pag-usapan ngayon? ASMR. Ito. Okay. Linis ng mic. Try nga natin ang plosives. Popsicle. Testing. Okay. So as you can hear, meron tayong background noise sa likod. I don't know if napipick up yon, pero this is the perfect time to see kung maganda ba talaga ang noise cancellation nito. Actually, I don't know if meron tong noise cancellation. I think wala. Let me clarify that. Pero, so this is it.